Also, your muscles and joints have receptors in them that say, how contracted is this muscle? How stretched is this tendon? The cerebellum puts all that together and knows where all of your body parts are at any given time. It uses that information to coordinate movement. So something like walking. The voluntary messages come from the motor cortex in which lobe? Frontal. Okay. And you've got parts of the frontal lobe that coordinate it, but the cerebellum pays attention to, am I actually distributing my weight safely here, or am I going to fall over, and makes little adjustments to it. It does the same thing for posture. If you are standing still, the cerebellum will make little adjustments to muscle contraction, often small enough that you don't even notice, to make sure you stay upright. So, the drunk tests for the cerebellum are things like walk in a straight line, and the classic close your eyes and touch your nose. If your cerebellum's working okay, it knows where your fingers are and can adjust the contraction of the biceps and other muscles to make sure your fingertip reaches your nose. If it's not working properly, you need to see your finger, get that additional information to do it right. So that's it for the brain. Any brain-related questions? All right, you want to take a break before we do the rest of the nervous system? All right, stop the video, take 10.